Alrighty guys, we're here at I guess 401 Water Street Garage here in downtown Peoria, Illinois. And we have this really interesting elevator. This used to be a Otis Lexan that got modded by Long. And here it is. Yeah, this used to be Lexan that got modded by Long. Might be installed by Long, but not sure. It's a Long. Let's go up to 6 and listen to the motor. Yep, monitor buttons. Interesting cab, but oh, it's a lot long. And there it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.